Hello guys, welcome. You're watching Technology Welfare. Let's see in this video tutorial how to connect BM800 microphone in your PC or laptop and how you will make a good quality sound at the low volume of your PC or laptop, how you will accelerate high volume vocal sound in your microphones. So see guys, this is actually after connecting, this sound is coming. You are hearing this sound after connections BM800 microphone to PC. So just to see how you will go for setup it. First of all guys, I'd like to show you here. See, now without using a 7.1 channel sound card, this sound is coming here. Just I will select here this skull candy handset and I will go for set default device and I will come in a recording. In recording, just I will click here microphone, I will come in a level and I will keep it at the 0 point of 0.0 dB microphone boost and I will accelerate this value 100 absolute and I will go for OK. Now see guys here, when I will go for OK, then see how the sound is coming. Now see guys, this sound is coming with the help of 7.1 channel sound card. So is it good or not? Just leave the feedback below the comment box. See guys, this is very important. That's how you will select. So simply once again I would like to repeat for setup here. When you insert, then you have to come on a skull candy handset and you have to click on a speaker setup. In a speaker setup here, see guys, in a speaker setup what you have to do, just you have to come on micro. So firstly I will have to click on default. I will exit off this your microphone cable and once again I will insert show. So guys, finally now you can leave your comment below the comment box as a feedback. That's how the sound quality is coming of this mic. Yes, I have the purchase BM800 microphones. Simultaneously also I have purchased 7.1 channel sound card and with the help of the 7.1 channel sound card at the moment I am recording. So you have to leave the feedback below the comment box. That's how sound quality is coming now. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. Thank you very much for watching Technology Welfare. Have a great time.